Need to cancel Shopify subscription? Then it's pretty simple and a quick process. So here's a step-by-step process on how you can easily cancel the subscription on Shopify. Start by heading over to your application Shopify. Enter login credentials and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, tap on your profile at the top left corner of the screen. And then at the bottom, move into Settings. Now in the section of Store Settings, head over to Billing. And then move into View All Subscriptions. It will be landing you on this page. If you have bought the subscription on Spotify, then it will be available to you in this page. You simply need to click on it and then tap on Cancel. After that, click on Confirm and then you'll be good to go. But still, you will be able to use the premium version till the date you have paid. That's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.